What's up everybody? In today's video, we are going to show you how to reset the Roblox settings back to its default. This should often fix the lag, graphic issues, or broken controls or weird bugs. So let's just get started with the video. You can start by opening up Roblox. So let's head over to browser and type in roblox.com. You can even access the application right there and log in into your account if you're not logged in. After that, what you need to do is you need to join any of the game available. You can scroll down and select one of the game available. For example, let's say this is the game. You can just go over and play out the game, enter the game. And once you head over to your game, you just need to go over and look out for your settings. Look out for your Roblox icon in the top left and select it. And go to the settings. And within the settings, you can scroll down and look out for the section of resetting your settings. You can scroll down, and once you find that option available here, if possible, you can just go over and turn it off from here. That should often reset your graphics, camera mode, control sensitivity, and full screen and UI options. Apart from that, what you can do is you can just go over and fix by the full Roblox settings reset. So for that, you can exit the game completely and make sure your Roblox is not running in the task manager. After that, you can type in Windows plus R, and inside there, just go over and type in local app data person/Roblox like this right here and hit enter. And that should open up your Roblox page available here. Once you do so, you can just go over and look out for global. You can just go over and look out for this global basic settings, analytics settings available, client settings available, and you need to select those, and you just need to click on delete and confirm it up, and just go over and access your Roblox once again. Do not worry, these will not delete it. The Roblox will automatically recreate them once you rejoin the game or anything. And that should totally reset the settings back to its default. So everybody, you may follow up these solutions. That's how we can reset the settings back to in default. So if this video helped, leave a like, subscribe for more, and comment. And thank you for watching this video.